Welcome. Today, you'll practice talking about exercise, technology, money, and future goals.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I try to eat well, move regularly, and get enough rest.
What kind of exercise do you enjoy?
I enjoy walking because it's simple and easy to do.
How do you stay active?
I try to move whenever I can, even if it's just a short walk.
What makes exercise difficult for you?
Being busy and tired makes it hard to stay consistent.
How do you feel after exercise?
I usually feel better and more relaxed after exercise.
What apps do you use the most?
I use messaging apps, YouTube, and a few apps for work or learning.
How do you use social media?
I mostly use it to watch useful videos and stay updated.
What do you like about technology?
I like that it makes learning and communication much easier.
What annoys you about technology?
Too many notifications and distractions can be annoying.
How do you manage screen time?
I try to take breaks and avoid using my phone too much at night.
How do you usually manage your money?
I try to keep track of my spending and avoid wasting money.
What do you spend most of your money on?
Most of my money goes towards normal living costs and family expenses.
How do you decide whether to buy something?
I usually think about whether I really need it and whether it's worth the price.
What kind of things are worth spending money on?
Things that save time, improve health, or last a long time are worth spending money on.
How do you avoid unnecessary spending?
I try not to buy things too quickly and give myself time to think.
What are your goals for this year?
I want to improve my skills, stay consistent, and make progress in my personal projects.
What are you working towards?
I'm working towards becoming better at what I do and building a better future.
Where do you see yourself in a few years?
I see myself in a better position, with more confidence and more options.
What do you want to improve?
I want to improve my communication, discipline, and long-term planning.
What's your next big step?
My next big step is to stay consistent and keep building small progress every day.
Great job! Keep repeating and build your confidence one lesson at a time.